If you're running a Google Ads display campaign, you'll probably come across the term responsive display ads. They're becoming a go-to option for advertisers, and for a good reason. One major advantage of using responsive display ads is that they help you increase ad performance. Let me break this down for you. Responsive display ads are like the chameleons of digital advertising. They automatically adjust their size, appearance, and format to fit different spaces on the Google Display Network. This means your ads look great whether they're showing on a mobile app, a desktop website, or somewhere in between. When your ads fit seamlessly into these spaces, they're more likely to catch attention and drive engagement. Another reason they perform well is the way Google optimizes them. You provide headlines, images, logos, and descriptions, and Google tests different combinations to find out what works best for your audience. This takes the guesswork out of creating ads and ensures you're always putting your best foot forward. So, if your goal is to boost your campaign's effectiveness, responsive display ads are a great and smart choice. They do the heavy lifting for you by adapting and optimizing, leaving you more time to focus on other parts of your strategy. Why not give them a shot? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need help with your Google Ads, join my coaching program, Google Ads Like a Boss, where I help you avoid expensive mistakes and get your campaigns run profitably. Thank you, and see you in the next one.